5 and 6, let us present the problem together in the group. We are very close to our target. We have solved the problem with appropriate information. Now, our goal is to raise awareness about the problem among the people around us. But before that, we will present the problem in front of us so that we can appreciate our own work and correct the mistakes, if any. We will present our topics in the classroom in groups in today's and tomorrow's sessions. If the number of groups in the classroom is less, the presentation may be done in one day. Things to notice before the presentation. Number 1. In today's session, we will evaluate every group. Our teacher has an evaluation table. We will get the from him or her and fill up one for every group. If we are 5 groups in the classroom, each group will evaluate 4 other groups. We will write the name of the group that we are evaluating on top of the evaluation table. Number 2. We will ensure that every member of the group has a chance to present. If any member of the group feels shy to present or makes mistakes during presentation, we will not make fun of them. We must remember that there is no right or wrong in the classroom. If there is a mistake, we will help each other to correct it. Preparation for next session. We have found a solution to our selected problem and presented it. During the process, we have even corrected some of the mistakes that we had. We have found solutions to problems that other people face as well. If so, it is our duty to inform the solutions to others people. In that case, they can overcome the problems in the future. In the next session, we will decide how we want to inform the solutions to people around us. Friends, universities, senior brothers and sisters, family members and relatives, and make them aware. We can make beautiful awareness-raising posters, compose nursery, rhythms, draw cartoon or comic strips, write short stories. Each group will finalize a different awareness-raising material in the next session. So today we will decide group-wise what material we want to make and distribute the work. We must prepare most of the material before the next session. We will finalize our materials together in the classroom after taking opinions of our teacher.